Welcome to Samphran Elephant Ground Zoo, located to the west of Bangkok in Nakhon Pathom province.
Oh, it's near Bangkok. Today it has many shows, such as crocodile racing show and elephant theme show.
Okay, let's go. It is a crocodile racing show. As for the racing show, the crocodile and the master crocodile catcher perform breathtaking stunts their audience delight.
In a few moments, you'll enjoy the exciting spectacle of elephants in Thai history. For the first time in Thailand, you will have a glimpse of the close relationship that has existed over the centuries between the Thai nation
The stars of the show, where the giant red prepawn and show Yuthachi, a great royal visit. This is our kids nursery.
Hi, come on. You can riding in the garden by elephant. Make the trip more fantastic by photo Mr. Left and Mr. I at the Bangkok Tiger.
Entrance free including our shows.
Adult 500 baht and child below 130 centimeter 300 baht.
Open daily from 8:30 to 17:30 hours.
Bye bye.